In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to automatically save signed documents to the cloud, so you never have to worry about losing important paperwork again. If you're tired of manually saving your signed documents or dealing with confusion over where they're stored, this video will show you a quick and easy solution that will save you time and give you peace of mind. Let's dive right in. The key to automating the saving of your signed documents to the cloud is by using the right software. I've tested out a lot of popular options, and I'm going to walk you through the one I've found to be the most reliable and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, so your signed documents are automatically uploaded and securely stored without you having to lift a finger. First, you'll want to choose the software that integrates seamlessly with cloud storage. The software we'll be using today connects directly with platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, ensuring that your signed documents are always stored safely. Once you sign a document, this software will automatically upload it to the cloud without any additional effort on your part. Here's how it works. After signing your document, you just need to upload it into the software. From there, you can set up automatic rules so that every document you sign will be uploaded to your preferred cloud storage service. This feature is great for busy professionals, businesses, or anyone who deals with a lot of paperwork that needs to be stored securely. If you're following along, just make sure you've linked your cloud storage to the software. Once it's set up, the software will detect when a document is signed and automatically upload it. You'll never have to worry about manually organizing your files again. It's all taken care of for you. The software we're using can handle various file types, so whether it's a PDF, Word document, or even images, you'll be able to store everything in the cloud without a hitch. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Once your document is uploaded to the cloud, you can access it from anywhere, on any device. No more searching through physical files or digging through your computer's storage. With this system in place, all your signed documents will be securely stored, organized, and ready for you to access with just a few clicks. For those of you who want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you. The software we're using today comes with an exclusive free trial that you can access through the link in the description below. This is only available for viewers of my channel, so if you're looking for an easy and efficient way to save your signed documents to the cloud, make sure to take advantage of this offer. As we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Setting up automatic saving for your signed documents to the cloud is an absolute game changer. It takes the hassle out of organizing your files and ensures that everything is backed up safely. Make sure you're using the right software that integrates with your cloud storage and automates the process. To recap, choose the right software, link your cloud storage, and set up automation so your signed documents are saved effortlessly. And don't forget, if you want to try out the software we use today, the link for the exclusive free trial is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.